What's going on, everybody? My name is King Senko, and this 30-year-old car right here, for better or for worse, is my 1995 Mitsubishi Pajero project car. This is a 1995 Mitsubishi Pajero, and this 456 turbo diesel engine that you see over here, well, it's clocked 294,000 kilometers already, and that is all original. My car may be 30 years old already, but I only entrust it with reputable brands and reputable shops. As you may know, with the age of our vehicles comes all the rubbers that deteriorate and dry rot over time. Wala po tayong takas dyan, which is why for my vehicle, I change them periodically, and you simply can't go wrong with Mitsuboshi. Mitsuboshi is a Japanese brand that was established in Kobe, Japan. That's year 1919 to be exact. Mitsuboshi is famous for their wide array of car and motorcycle belts, drives, timing belts, and CVT belts of cars, up to the CVT and drive belts of different motorcycles. Which is why the belt change procedure is being taken care of by Broadway Car Care Center. Just like Mitsuboshi, this company has been around for quite some time, since 1961. And if you ask me, that is quite a reputation. With the belts freshly changed, I can now relax and drive worry-free, because 30-year-old cars, just like my Mitsubishi Pajero right here, only deserves the best parts and the best service so it could keep running and serving for a longer time. To avail your Mitsuboshi belts for your very own cars or even motorcycles, please do visit us and make your purchase at our website. That's rideby.ph. See you on the road, folks!